Good evening. I hope you have some space for a solo diner.
A very warm welcome to the Oak. Let me check our book.
The atmosphere here feels so much more inviting than the street outside.
We strive to create a sanctuary for all our hungry guests tonight.
I didn't have the chance to make a formal reservation in advance.
That is quite all right. We often keep a few spots for walk-ins.
The scent of roasting herbs in the air is absolutely divine, Marco.
Our chef is currently experimenting with fresh rosemary and wild thyme.
It makes me even more excited to taste your evening specials.
Do you prefer a place with a bit of a lively buzz?
I am actually looking for somewhere a little more quiet and peaceful.
Most people enjoy the music near the bar, but I understand you.
I have a long book that I would love to continue reading.
A book is the most wonderful companion for a delicious slow dinner.
Is there perhaps a small table available near the back window area?
Let me scan the floor plan on my digital tablet for a second.
I see some people sitting on the outdoor terrace behind the glass.
The terrace is beautiful, but the evening breeze is getting quite chilly.
I should probably stay indoors to keep my nose from turning red.
Smart choice. The indoor heating is set to a perfect cozy temperature.
How long would the wait be if the restaurant is currently full?
You are in luck. A party of 2 just finished their dessert. I only need a moment to have the staff clear the surface.
I am happy to wait in the lounge for a few minutes.
Would you like a glass of sparkling water while you stand here?
That would be very refreshing after my long walk through the city.
Here is a small glass with a slice of fresh green lime.
Thank you. Your hospitality is truly exceptional from the very start.
It is my absolute pleasure to make your evening start perfectly well.
I can see why this place has such a high local reputation.
The table in the corner is officially ready for your arrival, Clara.
I can see it from here, tucked away behind that large palm.
It offers the most privacy in the entire main dining hall today.
Is the lighting over there sufficient for reading small printed text?
We have adjustable lamps on every single one of those back tables.
That is a very thoughtful feature for people who love to read.
I can even bring you a small footstool for extra comfort if needed.
You are treating me like royalty, and I truly appreciate the kindness.
Every guest at the Oak deserves to feel like the main character.
Does that table have a view of the open kitchen through the glass?
It has a partial view, so you can see the flames dancing.
I find watching professional chefs work to be a very relaxing sight.
It is like a silent ballet of silver pans and white hats.
Can I leave my heavy coat with the cloakroom attendant first, Marco?
Please give it to me. I will ensure it is kept safe.
Here is the ticket for my coat. I will put it in my bag.
Everything is taken care of. Let us walk toward your seat.
The wooden floor has such a beautiful and deep mahogany shine.
We polish it every morning to maintain that classic, elegant look.
I notice the flowers on the tables are actually real and fresh.
We receive a fresh delivery of lilies from the florist every day.
The attention to detail in this establishment is quite remarkable.
Quality is found in the small things that most people miss seeing.
I'm glad I decided to stop by this specific street today.
Destiny often leads people to the best meals of their lives.
My appetite is certainly growing as we pass the pasta station.
The truffle ravioli is the star of our menu at the moment.
I will certainly keep that in mind when I open the menu.
Please follow me. We are almost at your secluded little corner.
I feel like a secret explorer finding a hidden treasure in here.
Tell me why you want to learn English. The 3 most interesting comments will get 10 English lessons absolutely free.
Here we are, the most peaceful table in the entire building.
The velvet on this chair feels incredibly soft to the touch.
It was designed for long evenings of dining and deep conversation.
Or, in my case, a long evening of reading and eating.
Allow me to push the chair forward for you as you sit.
Thank you. The height of the table is just perfect for me.
I will place the dinner menu right here in front of you.
The font is quite large, so I might not need the lamp.
I will turn it on low anyway to create a warm glow.
That creates such a lovely and golden atmosphere on the wood.
Would you prefer to see our extensive wine list this evening?
I might try a local white wine if you have a suggestion.
Our dry Riesling from the valley is crisp and very refreshing.
That sounds like a wonderful accompaniment to a light fish dish.
I will bring a small tasting sample for you to try first.
You are going above and beyond to ensure my complete satisfaction.
It is the philosophy of our owner to never rush a guest.
I feel like the clock has stopped ticking since I entered.
Good food should always be enjoyed without any sense of hurry.
Is there a bread basket coming out before the main course?
Our sourdough is currently warming in the stone oven for you.
I can almost taste the crunchy crust just by the smell.
We serve it with salted butter and a touch of roasted garlic.
My evening is turning into a real culinary dream, Marco.
And we have only just begun the first chapter of your meal.
I will put my phone on silent to avoid any digital distractions.
That is a very wise choice for a truly mindful dining experience.
I am ready to lose myself in this book and this menu.
I will return with your wine sample in just a few moments.
Thank you for finding me this perfect little island of calm.
Here is the Riesling. Notice the notes of green apple and peach.
The color is like liquid sunlight in this crystal glass.
It is one of my personal favorites from our cellar collection.
It tastes incredibly bright and cuts through the richness perfectly.
Shall I pour you a full glass of that specific vintage?
Yes, please. It is exactly what I was hoping to find today.
I see you have chosen a very thick mystery novel to read.
It is a classic tale of a missing emerald in a London fog.
Mystery pairs very well with our dark chocolate fondant later on.
You are a master of pairing food with different moods, Marco.
I believe that dining is a full sensory experience for the soul.
Is it too much to ask for a small carafe of tap water?
I will bring a chilled bottle with fresh mint leaves inside it.
That sounds even better than what I had originally envisioned.
Do you find the background music level to be acceptable for you?
The jazz is subtle enough to be pleasant, but not distracting.
We curated the playlist to match the rhythm of the dinner service.
I can feel my stress melting away with every single note.
That is the best compliment our restaurant could ever receive.
I am curious about the daily specials mentioned on the board.
Tonight, we have a pan-seared sea bass with a lemon glaze.
That sounds like the perfect partner for this glass of wine.
It comes with baby carrots and a silk-smooth potato puree.
Please tell the chef that I am ready for that sea bass.
I will send the order to the kitchen immediately, Clara.
I will finally open my book to page 112.
Enjoy the intrigue of the story while the kitchen works magic.
I feel completely at home here, despite being a stranger.
At the Oak, nobody stays a stranger for very long.
Thank you for making me feel so incredibly welcome tonight.
I noticed you are nearing a very exciting part of your book.
I just discovered who the secret witness was in the story.
I hope the revelation was as satisfying as your main course.
The sea bass was cooked to absolute perfection, truly delicious.
The chef will be delighted to hear your positive feedback.
The lemon glaze was the highlight of the entire dish for me.
It is made from lemons grown in our own small sunroom garden.
No wonder it tastes so much more vibrant than store-bought fruit.
Would you care for another slice of the warm sourdough bread?
I am quite full, but the bread is too tempting to refuse.
I will bring one last piece to clean up the remaining sauce.
You read my mind. That sauce is far too good to waste.
Is the temperature in this corner still comfortable for your sitting?
It is perfect. I haven't felt a single draft from the door.
We installed a special air curtain to keep the heat inside.
You have thought of absolutely everything for the guests' comfort.
A great restaurant is a machine where every part must work well.
But it also needs a heart, which you clearly provide here.
I simply enjoy seeing people happy and well-fed every evening.
I am dreading the moment I have to finish this wine glass.
Perhaps a cup of dark roasted coffee could follow the wine?
I think I will save the coffee for the very end of night.
I will let you get back to your mystery for a little while.
I only have 20 pages left before the big finale.
I will wait until you close the book before I bring dessert.
That is a very kind and observant gesture. Thank you, Marco.
I will be watching from a distance to ensure perfect timing.
I am glad I didn't go to that loud pizza place instead.
We are certainly glad you chose to walk through our doors.
This has been the best solo date I have ever had.
I see the book is finally closed. Was the emerald found?
It was hidden in the bird cage all along. Can you believe it?
A very clever hiding spot for a priceless green treasure.
Just like this restaurant is a hidden gem in this city.
Now that the mystery is solved, are you ready for dessert?
I simply cannot leave without trying that chocolate fondant.
I have already informed the pastry chef to start the baking.
You are always one step ahead of my every single desire.
It should have a molten center that flows like dark velvet.
My mouth is watering just at the vivid description of it.
Would you like a small glass of dessert wine to finish?
I think a simple double espresso will be enough for me.
I will prepare it with a thick crema on the very top.
This has been a truly flawless evening from start to finish.
It was a pleasure to assist you in finding the perfect table.
I will definitely be recommending this place to all my friends.
We would be honored to welcome them into our little sanctuary.
Can I pay the bill directly at the table when I finish?
Of course, I will bring the card machine whenever you are ready.
There's no rush. I want to savor this last sweet course.
Please take all the time you need. The night is still young.
I feel completely rejuvenated and ready for the week ahead.
That is the power of a good meal in a peaceful place.
Thank you for your incredible service and for the great spot.
You are most welcome, Clara. It was a delight to host you.
I will leave a very positive review on the restaurant website.
We value every word of feedback from our wonderful guests.
I am already looking forward to my next visit to the Oak.
We will keep your favorite corner table waiting just for you.
Until next time then, have a wonderful rest of your evening.